Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's solve first problem of weekly context 488. Count dominant indices. You are given an integer array nums of length n. An element at index I is called dominant if nums of I is greater than average of all the rest of the numbers till n minus 1 starting at I plus 1. Your task average of all those numbers basically. Your task is to count the number of indices I that are dominant. The average is basically this is just a definition of average which they have mentioned. And note that the rightmost element of the array is not a dominant. Okay, we don't have to check what is the whether this particular element is dominant or not for the last element. Okay, if you look at the constraints are pretty small. Okay, you can straight away go ahead and implement the brute force approach. So that is what I've done over here. Okay, I'm just checking from first index to all the way up to the last but one element. Okay, and then checking whether the current element is dominant or not. If it is dominant, then just I'm incrementing my count and then I'm returning. Okay, let's look at the implementation of whether a current number is dominant or not. Okay, so it will check whether the number at I is dominant or not. Okay, so the current is basically nums of I, and then I will be taking the sum of elements from I plus 1 till all the way till the end, and then since I need to calculate the average, I will be defining the sum by the number of elements I have, and then if current is greater than the average which I have computed, then this is a dominant or else it's not a dominant. Okay, if you submit this problem, it will be accepted and it is decent enough for the easy problem. You don't have to optimize it further. Okay, so that's all about this problem. If you like the explanation, hit the subscribe button and hit the like button, and also share your valuable feedback in the comment section. Thank you.